this is how I made $1,314, which comes up to 24,500 rands in just 5 days doing this one simple thing. Now, before I show you exactly what I did, let me show you real proof so that you know that this is legit and I'm not just wasting your time. As you can see right here, this is the dashboard of my website where I'm able to see all the sales that have come in, and currently it's on 7 days. And as you can see, I've made $1,314. And if you just go online and check how much that is, it comes up to about 24,542 rands. And if I just go to Google and I type in and I say date and time, and I'm just going to refresh that so that you see that this is actually live. You see that the time I'm recording this is on Wednesday, the 5th of February, and it's 03:48 in the morning. Now, when I come back to my store here, you'll notice that these transactions happened in the past 5 days, 30 January, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means I'm not talking about something that happened a long time ago, but this is something that is actually quite recent. And I know that there might be some of you who are busy saying, but no, maybe you just made this money just by luck. It's not true. It's not for real. If I come up here and I change where it says last 7 days, I can change it to show you how much I've made all time on my website. And as you can see here, it says I've made over $12,773. And if I just copy that and I just come back here to Google and I just paste that amount in here and ask it to convert it into dollars, I can find any rand calculator over here, like this first one that pops up. I'll put in the amount there is 12,773 again. And you see that when it's converted, it comes up to 238,000 rands. So what exactly was I doing that allowed me to make this money in such a short time? Basically, what I was doing is that I was selling digital products. Digital products are when you take information and then package it in different forms. For example, it can be an ebook, it can be an online course, it can be an audio recording, it can be a template. There's so many different options, but just simply taking information, packaging it, and then selling it to people out there who need the information. To give you a couple of examples, let's say that maybe someone is trying to lose weight. They can go online and buy an ebook that will teach them exactly what they need to do to lose weight. So what you will be doing is that you'll be identifying different problems that people have that you can solve with the digital product. Another example is maybe, let's say you grew up growing some very special traditional meals. And then there's some people in Europe and America who want to learn how to make those traditional meals. You can create some video tutorials or create an ebook that explains how to actually prepare those African meals. And then you're going to be selling it to people overseas. Hey, so I'm running a 5-day challenge where I'll be showing people how to create and sell their own digital products so that you can finally have your own online business that helps you to create passive income. If you want to learn how to create digital products that you can sell to anyone around the world and build a business that runs whilst you sleep, so that when you wake up in the morning, you see all the different sales that have come in whilst you are sleeping, then you need to sign up for this challenge. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video, or you can click on the QR code that you're seeing on your screen right now, and it will take you straight to the sign up page. Currently, the price is at $27 because I'm running a very special promotion, but the price is going to be going up quite soon. So to find out the date and the time, just click the link in the description. But also, if you're watching this in the future, you still will be able to access all the trainings of the challenge. So simply sign up for whatever price is there. Currently, when I'm recording this video, it's going for $27, but just check it out and allow me to teach you how to build digital products so that you can have your own online business and make money online. Now, the first thing that I want to mention about this is that it's not a get rich quick scheme. In other words, if you're thinking, okay, I should maybe just start it and then by tomorrow morning, I would have made my first $1,000. It doesn't work that way. You need to understand how the structure works. And in this video, I want to explain to you the different elements that go into selling digital products. And no, you don't need to have a degree or certifications to be able to do this. In fact, anyone can do this as long as you've got access to the internet, you've got a computer that you can use, and you're willing to learn. Then you'll be able to create your own digital products and start selling them in no time. So there are 5 things that you need to create and sell digital products. They're what I call the profit matrix. And once you understand these 5 different things, creating digital products will become super simple for you. The first thing that you need to start off with is a problem. A problem talks about what products are you going to be creating that solve specific problems for people. Because people don't just buy stuff because they've got money. People buy stuff because it solves particular problems for them. Someone will buy a course from you because they want to learn something specific. Someone will pay you to teach them how to lose weight because they want the outcome of losing weight or being in shape. So you first need to identify the different problems that you actually can solve. And normally what I recommend is that you identify these problems by looking at your expertise, your skills, your passions, and the knowledge that you have. Look at what you have learned in the past few years and see how you can relate that to different problems that you see around you and then you can create a digital product from that. Once you're clear on the problem that you want to solve, the next thing that you have to do is to choose your packaging. By packaging, it means that you choose what format you're going to create your digital product in. For example, it can be an ebook, it can be a video course, or it can be an audio recording that people can listen to on the go. It can be a membership, meaning that people join in and maybe they get access to you and they pay every single month to keep getting access to you. It can be a Zoom call where you go live and teach people whatever it is that you'll be teaching them. It can be a software. It can be a template. There are many of these things, and I teach all these things inside of the 5-day challenge. So make sure that you register and you check that out. But the best part about this packaging is that if you choose the correct one, you just simply need to create the product once, and then you'll be able to sell it over and over again. And once you've done that, the next thing that you then need is a platform. A platform talks about where you can actually sell your digital products. For example, this is my own website, or this is the platform that I'm talking about where you can find out more details about the 5-day challenge. What happens is that because I put all the information about this particular digital product, people are able to just come here on the website whilst I'm sleeping, and they're able to buy the product. Also, to show you, this is an example of a platform more broadly, as like this is my website where I do online coaching, I sell courses, and give out free stuff. You notice if I just click here where it says courses, you're able to see all the different digital products that I actually have on offer. So this is also more proof that this is something that I'm actively doing. Someone can just simply come here. Let's say maybe they're interested in YouTube. They click on give me access there. They get taken to another page where they find out more details about exactly what they're getting. They click on the button to sign me up, and then they immediately make their payment. So when it comes to a platform, there are so many different platforms that you can use out there to be able to do that. The one I recommend is called Creator HQ. I've spoken about it a lot on this channel, and if you just go through my videos, you find me talking about how to create a website or how to create a landing page or a sales page using Creator HQ. But really, in general, you can use any platform. Creator HQ is just the one that I prefer to use. And then the next part of the profit matrix is the promotion. Promotion talks about how exactly you're going to be getting sales. And so there are different ways that you can approach this. Some methods of promotion will require you to pay up some money. Some other methods of promotion will just require your time. So for example, you can invest in paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You're just going to simply maybe create video content, and then you give it to the platforms, pay some money, then they will show your content to the different people that you choose to target. Now, this is a great way for you to get your first few sales, but of course, it's going to require you to be able to have a budget. Then for those people who don't have money to start off, I recommend doing exactly what I just do on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I create video content where I talk about the things that I'm interested in, and then those videos attract attention. And in every single video, I can mention that there's a link in the description. I can mention that just go to my bio and see what I have there. And then people sign up that way. So basically, I'm talking about content creation. And it's not limited to creating video content only. For example, I've seen some people who are doing very well on platforms like Twitter and Medium, where they just simply type out what's on their mind. They share content which is text-based, and then that way, that's how they're actually getting people to buy their digital products. So it's really up to you which method you choose to use. If you want the fastest route, like I mentioned, you're going to have to use paid advertising. But if you want something that lasts forever and it doesn't cost you anything, it just costs you your time, you'd rather go for content creation, which is what I actually recommend, because when people get to know you through your own personal brand, they know you, like you, and trust you, it becomes easier for them to buy your product. Then the last element of this profit matrix is the profits section, where you start making money from what you are selling. Now, normally what people would think should happen is that you just create one product and then you sell it to people and then you make your money from that. But what I recommend that you do is you create what is called the value ladder. A value ladder means that you'll be taking people through a series of steps where you're creating more value for them, which also helps you to gain more money. For example, you're going to start here at the low end where it says bait. Bait simply means the method that you're going to be using to get people's attention so that they can come to your website and want to buy your product. This can be paid advertising, or this can be free content, as I was explaining earlier. Then where it says front end, that's the product that you're going to be selling. And maybe it can be priced at a price like $27, like I do for my 5-day challenge. And then it doesn't just end there. You then can offer them something else which complements what you're already selling so that you can create money for yourself. For example, let's just say that you're a fitness instructor and the ultimate goal that you can help people with is to help them to lose weight, right? You can start off by selling an ebook. Let's say you're selling it for $10. You then can upsell them. We call them upsells to something else that will help them. For example, it might be a calorie tracker, or a food tracker, something that's going to help them to be able to just measure their results. And so maybe this one is going to be for $10. Maybe this one you can sell it for $5, which means that if people buy these two things, you now have made $15 rather than just sticking with the $10. And then as you can see here, there's another higher level here, meaning that you can offer them something else again. Here you're offering an ebook. Here you're offering a calorie tracker. And then here, maybe you can offer a video course that shows them different exercises that they can do. And then here, maybe you make the price higher. It's going to be $47. So $10 plus $5 plus $47. It simply means that you're creating more value for yourself and you're earning more money if people keep buying these different things that you have to offer. This is the exact same reason why when you go to a business like McDonald's or KFC, and when you want to buy a burger, they will always offer you something else. Like, can I offer you extra chips with that? Or can I offer you extra cheese with that? Why? Because they are using this value ladder method where they keep offering you other things so that they can get more money from you. Once you implement this profit matrix, you'll be able to get results that I'm getting just like this. Now, once again, if you want to learn how to create and sell digital products so that you can create passive income for yourself, make sure that you signed up for my 5-day challenge where I'll be showing you exactly how to create a digital product business. Click on the QR code that you're seeing on your screen, or just click on the link that's in the description of this video and sign up today. And then you'll find me in there ready to mentor and coach you and help you to build your own online business. And also, if you're looking for the best tips on what business you can start in this year, make sure that you check out this video next, which will show you the simplest and easiest business that you can start so that you can start earning income online.